Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well, and in today's coding session we are going to learn what is strong typing language and loose typing language. Okay, this language is also known as tight typing, tight typing language and weak typing language. Weak typing language. So sometimes interviewer can trick you. Instead of asking strong typing language and loose typing language, he or she can ask you tight typing language and weak typing language. Okay, so first of all, let's understand strong typing language. Strong typing language. So in a strong typing language, data conversion doesn't happen automatically. We have to do data conversion. Okay, so suppose if you want to convert any string value into integer, then we have to convert that value. Okay, so conversion we data conversion we have to do. Okay, explicitly. Okay, so strong typing language, Python comes, Python, JavaScript, sorry, only Java, then C#, not JavaScript, only Java. These languages are example of strong typing language. So let's understand from a practical. So we will check from Python. Okay, we will take the example of the Python programming languages. So here I have created one variable x. Okay, then integer value I have stored inside this. Now I have created another variable. Inside that I have created a string value. Okay, but storing number. Okay, it is a string type value. Now I want to add these two values. In z variable we will add these two value plus y. Now let's print. Okay, so as I told you, in a strong type language data conversion doesn't happen, so we will see it will throw an error. See, type error, you are getting type error, unsupported operand type 4 plus int and string. Means this it cannot add a string and integer value. So what we will do, we will convert this string value into the integer. How we will convert? Int, open bracket, close bracket, inside that we will pass this y. Now let's run. See, okay, we are printing x. Okay, so we have to pass z. See, now output is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. So data conversion is not happen here. We have done this implicitly. Okay. So this is the example of strong type language. Now let's understand what is a loose typing language. So loose typing language. So in loose typing language, data conversion will happen automatically, or we can say implicitly. Okay, data conversion will happen automatically, or we can say implicitly. Implicitly. Okay, data conversion will happen implicitly. So some languages comes under this loose typing languages. So those are JavaScript, then PHP, Lua, etc. Some more are there, but we are taking the example of these three languages. So now let's understand from the practical. We will learn from JavaScript language. So Here we will create one variable, let x, and we will store int value, and in next variable let y, we will store string value. Okay, now we will add these two value, x plus, okay, we will store in z variable, x plus y. Okay, now it should add these values 1 plus 2, because in loose typing I have told you it should add the values right now. So we will print this console.log to z. Let's run this. See what it is coming, 1 plus 2. Okay, so it is doing conversion, it is converting 1 into string. Okay, so conversion is happen automatically, it is adding the integer value as well as string value, but it is not adding, it is combining. You can see 1, it is printing 12, it should print 3, right? So this is the disadvantage of using the loose typing language. Okay, so it is providing us functionality of data conversion automatically, but it is also giving us silent mistake. Okay, it is silent mistake, right? It is silently concatenating these values. Okay, if I minus this in z1, if I minus y minus x, then it will correctly give the answer, huh? It will give answer 1. See, okay, so here minus symbol is working properly. Okay, but here this plus symbol is working as a concatenation. Okay, so it is combining. So using of loose typing language, we have a disadvantage that it silently create the mistakes. You have seen this example, right? Instead of adding these two values, it is combining, concatenating. Okay, so this is the disadvantage of using loose coupling language. Okay, loose, not loose coupling, loose typing language. So I hope you have understood this both term, strongly typed language and loosely typed language. If you have understood this video and you have find this video helpful, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and if you have any doubt, you can comment below. I will surely reply to your doubt. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.